All right, within the first 11 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've brought in 28 exclusive pre-qualified furnace and AC replacement leads at a cost per lead of $22, resulting in $70,000 worth of estimates sent out with only $616 in ad spend so far. And in this case study, I'm going to walk you through the targeting, the video ad creative, the offer, and also the most important thing, which is our backend automation that instantly follows up, pre-qualifies the leads 24/7, which ensures that our end clients never waste time on low quality leads and time wasters, basically. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti, and my agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money. So if that's something you guys are interested in, don't forget to subscribe. All right, now before we go any further, this is just a screenshot of what the leads look like. So we asked them name, phone number, zip code, if they're homeowner, age of the current HVAC system, type of the system they're interested in, either it's just air conditioner or both AC and furnace, home square footage, and how soon they want the new system installed. Now, the way we position these ads is we're only attracting homeowners looking to move forward within the next 60 days. If it's any further, we don't deal with it. So as you see, ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. This customer said 30 days, within 30 days, and then we got within 1 to 2 months, but mostly we have ASAP. And that has to do obviously with the client's offer, which is a pretty competitive pricing they have with 10 years parts and labor warranty. And we're also including a free smart thermostat with every installation, which is going to incentivize people to take action. All right, so for targeting, it's pretty simple. We're just targeting broad, male, female, age 34 to 65 plus, because these are the people who are more likely, homeowners and have the money. So, and they're also targeting an 80-kilometer radius around their 80 miles radius around their area. And that's about it for targeting. And for the ads, we're testing 2 different ads, which I'm going to play them right now for you so you can get a sense of what they look like.
Get a brand new AC and furnace combo installed starting at just $6,800. This limited time offer is only available for Georgia homeowners, and every installation includes a free smart thermostat. Home Services is one of the top-rated HVAC companies in Georgia, trusted for affordable pricing, fast service, and quality workmanship. Installations are quick, and every system is backed by a 10-year parts and labor warranty. Tap below to check availability and get your free quote today.
If you live in Georgia and you've got an old furnace and AC system, it's time to upgrade to a brand new energy-efficient combo that'll lower your utility bills and keep your home comfortable year-round. Right now, Home Services is installing AC and furnace systems starting at just $6,800, and every installation comes with a free smart thermostat and a 10-year parts and labor warranty. Tap the button below to get your free quote today.
Now, the most important thing out of all this is going to be our backend automation that runs 24/7 on autopilot. So the reason we have a backend automation here is because we want to ensure that as the leads come in, they have given us their correct phone number and that they're looking to move forward within the next 60 days. So when somebody fills out the form, we send them an SMS. We ask them, hey, are you looking to move forward within the next 60 days? And is the phone number that you gave us correct? Once we know those 2 things are true, then we send that lead off to our end clients where they can call the lead, book that in-home estimates. And this ensures we're getting the highest quality of leads possible. It's very important that you have some sort of a automation on the back end like this, so you can filter out the bad leads from the good leads. Because on Facebook, you're going to have people who are going to, put a wrong phone number, just fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are just going to, be time wasters. So it's important you have a back end automation. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you're looking, to get this same system done for your business, if you have an HVAC business or a home improvement company, you're looking to get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money, and you want this same exact basically ad duplicated into your business within the next 24 hours, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can hop on a call with me. We go over a quick phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and if this even makes sense for your business. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.